Hello again, this is Eric with ReLISTO. Today we are excited to showcase 6th Avenue here in Oakland, unit number 11. Look at this property. Holy cow. It's just gorgeous. These tall ceilings, gorgeously large windows, and then with a, looks like a grapefruit tree right outside your window. And, oh my gosh, that's crazy. There's a squirrel. I don't know if you see him right there, right outside your window. So if you like wildlife, this is great urban wildlife. Here we are in the kitchen, gas range, lots of shelving, hideaway refrigerator, which makes it, that's really super nice and convenient and really opens up the kitchen space. Here, definitely there's multifunctional functionality in this room. As you can see, this is truly a bathroom. There's a tub, shower, just a shower here and sink, toilet. But here, could be a closet. This definitely is big enough for a bed, brings in a lot of light. And then turn it around so you can see the kitchen area again. Refrigerator and tall ceilings. Big windows allowing lots of light in. Living room / bedroom, depending on if you use this as a studio or you could take advantage of that extra space in the back. And then a big walk-in closet right here. So this property is available. Take a look at the other video of the surrounding grounds. This is in a beautiful building. It's just immaculately historic. So just take a look at that, and we look forward to seeing you. All right, cheers, bye-bye.